Now the next one, work out the percentage increase from 80 to 280, sorry. So basically, this is quite straightforward. All you'll do is subtract both numbers. So 280 take away 80, which is 200. So that's the increase. That's how much has been added onto the 80 to get to 280. And now all you'll do is just do the difference, which is 200, divided by what you started with, which is 80, and multiply that by 100. Okay, so you can work that out several ways, but I'm gonna cancel here, divide 20 by 2, which gives me 10, divide 8 by 2, which gives me 4, by 2, 2, by 2, 5. 5 times 100 is 500, and then divide that by 2. So the answer is 250. So it's 250% increase from 80 to 280. And that is your answer.